Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is for my WGU cybersecurity program, and the course that we're going over today is Linux Foundation D281. So in order to pass this course, you have to pass the Linux Essential certification exam. Um, if you have experience with Linux, I thought this exam was pretty easy. Doesn't go too much into details. I think I had one questions where I had to answer with a command, but that was about it. Um, so today I'll be showing you guys some of the resources that I use. So first, if you're a WGU student, you get a lot of free resources. So within the course, if you go to WGU Connect, it will bring you here. And once you go to resources, you'll have a lot of resources down here you can use. As you can see, there's a couple Quizlets, podcasts, PowerPoints, labs, and also a lot of other stuff. So if you're a WGU student, I definitely recommend coming in here and take advantage of all the resources that they offered. And yeah, but if you're not a WGU student and you're able to get your hands on these courses, so the first one that I used was Jason Dion Linux Essential, which is the 6 practice exam. I thought some of the questions on the practice exams were not exactly what's on the actual exam, but definitely close gives you an idea of what to expect. So you get 6 practice exams. I recommend going through all 6. That way you can see where you stand and if you need to work on, or if there's any topics or subject you feel like you need to work on. So these 6 practice exams definitely came in handy. The second one was the complete course. I went through the course pretty quick. It's not it's not long, but highly recommend getting his full course and the 6 practice exams. And also, I did use Shawn Powers Linux course on YouTube. That one was very informative as well. Definitely goes into details. But for anyone that has Linux experience, this course should be pretty easy. I, I mean, the certification exam should be pretty easy, not super hard at all. But if you're someone that have no experience and you're new to Linux, I recommend completing this course right here. This It's a self-paced course. It's a little bit longer, but it definitely goes way more into details of what someone with no experience need to know. Or if you've never used Linux before, this course will be really good. And it's about 70 hours, which is really long, but it also has labs in it. I definitely recommend this course for anyone that has no experience, you've never worked with Linux. This course is essential. But for everyone else, if you're coming in with experience and you have to pass the certification for your school, I think the Jason Dion's course and his practice exam should do the trick. But yeah, so as you can see, I passed this exam yesterday. My scores were posted. Definitely not a hard exam. So if anyone have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message, and I may have some resources that as well I can always share if anyone needs. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.